Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony and my fiance. As you can see, there's a little bit different background going on than usual, but you guys will have to wait a few videos for that. But today we're going to show you guys how to flush your radiator in a open system or closed system, whichever one it is, cooling system on a Cherokee with the 4-liter. I'm having a bunch of overheating issues, so I've just been flushing everything, trying to diagnose what my issue is. So I've already done it, but I'm just going to show you guys what you can do, where to do it. It's pretty easy. It took me like 40 minutes, but there's my dog out there. Man, I don't know how to work this thing. She's moving around. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what to do. Alright, so as you can see here, it's all kind of torn apart. My air box is pulled out. It's over there on the ground. Need to get an air filter. But yeah, I took my air box out just to make it easier to get my lower radiator hose off the water pump. So if I can snake you guys in here. The outlet for the water pump is right there. So this is also how to flush your engine block as well. So take your air box out. You want to open your radiator cap like so, and then down over here, in here, there's right here is the petcock for the radiator. You want to spin that out. Make sure you have 5-gallon bucket or something to catch all the fluid. Let it drain, and while you're letting it drain, go ahead and pull these off. It takes a pair of pliers if you still have the factory things. So you want to pull these two off the water neck, like so. And while all that's going on, you can pull your air box and stuff like that. And then once radiator's drained, nothing's coming out the petcock, you want to go ahead and tighten it up. And then you want to get your bucket down there. You can see my bucket. And you want to either push down on the radiator hose, or you can take it loose right here. I just chose to do it down there, but this is for the radiator. So you just want to put your garden hose in here and let it spray out into the thing until it's nice clear water coming out. And then what you want to do is go the other way and spray into your upper radiator hose, so that way it pushes backwards through the radiator, comes back out the lower hose, and then you could go back again and then go back around just a few times until it's clear, no matter what. That's the easiest way to do the radiator. And then we got this open, and the lower radiator hose is off the water neck or in this part of the radiator. You want to go ahead and just stick the garden hose in here, let it run through the coolant jackets and stuff like that within the block, and come out the radiator, or come out the lower outlet on the water pump. And that's how you flush cooling system for your engine block and the radiator in a, I believe it's 96 and up Jeep Cherokee. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and yeah, we'll see. Alright, so, but if that was helpful, let me know, as well as if you want to know anything else, let me know and I'll make a video about it while I'm working on it. The dog's just enjoying her new backyard. But yeah, this is the start to many videos that come on my XJ and the Liberty. And has been Anthony. I'm going to talk to you guys later.